Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Chaudhary SA and today I'm back with another deck review. It's Chrome King Player Red Edition deck. And I'm going to open this. I'm going to show you guys. There is always a flap to open this. See, let me try. Yeah, like this. Just you have to pull this. It's that easy to open a deck of cards. Now let's take a closer look to the tug case. The front you can see there is written Chrome King, and in this O there is some kind of logo, and instead of I they are using arrow. It's really beautiful. In spades there are 4 gears and it have the same logo which is also in O. And the the body is designed like this box designed like I believe some metal briefcase. In the 4 corners here and here you can see they design something like the briefcase have like steel to protect corners. Here you can see the Player Red Edition created in 3D. It's the back design. It's inspired I believe some blade as these cards are normally used to throw, and it's the name of designer. And here it's say manufactured in United States the address and manufactured in 2007, design and all that thing. I really like the tug case design. You guys can see there are dots as well. In the bottom there's a red dot. Let me show you more closely. I actually like the box design. It's like some kind of metal briefcase, or they are basically representing I believe the sharp edges of the corners. There's some illusion. On the top flap you can see the same logo, Chrome King. Wait. Yeah, Chrome King. And now let's open this one. There is the same logo which is in this design as well. Yeah, it's the same logo, maybe different. On the inner flaps there are also that logo. Now take out these cards, and from the inside the box is simple white plain. Okay, let me throw this. Okay, so these cards have black borders. You can see it's the back design, really beautiful back design. These are representing I believe blade. For spades the logo. Yeah, you guys can pause to seek the more detail. Okay, so it comes with 2 jokers. Let me see. Okay, let's see the jokers. There are 2 jokers. First joker have all this the cards have these edges, these corners I mean. It's J, custom pip, custom design, everything is custom about this deck. In Joker there are 2 faces, X, and the font design I believe some kind of italic, because you can see there is a curve in that. So this is the one Joker. Let's see other Joker. It's a bit different. It's a Joker in some different image. This is the one Joker, this is the other Joker. Okay, the design of these jokers are in gray. Then there is a calf card, but I can say one side is red design and other is silver design. Well, this deck come with a tutorial, a simple tutorial. You can use these jokers and this card to do a magic trick. And other than that, this is the back design, and it's an advertisement I believe, some kind of advertisement card. It's a 3D Chrome King, and here there is the producer, all the details you guys can read. Now let's take a closer look to the faces of the cards. All the cards, like I told you before, are the custom design, custom pips, custom code cards. Everything is custom. Here you can see the Ace of Spades, The ace and the pips are custom design, and in the spades you can see it's a logo here for more better look. Okay, in the two of spades, in spades you guys can see the gears. I really like this design, the font and everything. Three of spades. I'm not going to waste a lot of time. You guys can pause if you want, or you can see the pictures, I believe, on Google as well. I'm just giving the face cards. The jack of clubs. It has really like, you know, the blur picture kind of image. It's the jack of spades, the custom design. I like this design really. Then the queen of spades. Yeah. Then the king of spades. Now the ace of diamonds. You guys can see there's X, there's, I believe, a castle. Everything about this deck is custom design, which I like really well. In the diamonds you can see these are also custom pips, and in diamonds there is some kind of line. Two of diamonds, three. Even the design of all the cards, like the four, the diamonds are displayed 4, 5. You can see. No. The diamonds in the jack is really really big. You guys can see jack of diamonds, and even you can see details more like the gears and everything. You guys can pause basically if you guys want to. I'm trying to save time. The queen of diamonds, I really like this queen, to be honest. I like it. King of diamonds. Yeah. Then king of clubs. Okay, even in the clubs you can see there is gears. This card, the designer really did a really good job, and you can see this is kind of 3D. See, that's why it said that 3D design. If you look like this, it's look a little blurred, but to a specific angle. Let me show you like that. It's look like it's 3D. Really great artwork. Queen of clubs. See, queen of clubs. Jack of clubs. 3D effect. Maybe in camera you might be feeling like these are blurred, but actually this is the shadow which is giving the illusion of 3D basically in 2D cards. The 10 of clubs. Let me move here like that. 9, 8, 7. I'm going to be a really quick so that I won't waste a lot of time. 2 of clubs. It's the ace of clubs. I really like this deck actually. I really personally like this design. Okay, king of hearts. In the hearts you guys can see there's some kind of ribbon and a crown design. It's also 3D. Awesome design. Queen of hearts. Jack of hearts. Then 10 of hearts. Then the rest. 9, 8, 7. And ace of heart. Okay. Well, now let's look closer look about the borders. As these have the black borders. If you're going to take any card, for example this ace of heart, I'm going to put anywhere, you can easily detect this. For magician this is an advantage. See, we can easily spot the card which is upside down. Now let's see about the handling. About the fan. They fan really well. Face fan. Okay, I really like. The cards are smooth but also stiff at the same time. Okay, these are really springy cards. See. Okay. Their card felt really good. Let me try one more time. Okay, great. Some cuts. Cut back to ace. Try. Yeah. Yeah. This. Yes. Yes. So the order is the same. So practicality about this card is that these are designed for magicians and also for cardists. So if you are a cardist, you know cardistry, I believe you can do many things. I'm actually not a cardist, so I'm not expert basically. Well guys, that's it. I hope you guys like this video. If you like, kindly like the video, comment and subscribe the channel. And if you are in Pakistan, only for Pakistani people, if you are in Pakistan, you guys can purchase these decks, these open decks, which I'm used to make reviews in a lot cheaper price from our website www.aceofdeception.com. Thank you for watching and hope to see you guys soon. Bye. Peace.